In the last 61 days, I've been able to do $103,554 in affiliate commissions. If you're interested, if you're promoting Clickbank right now or you're promoting Digistores24, let me ask you a question. How big are the commissions that you're able to earn promoting those programs? Are you able to earn 1,000, 2,000, or even bigger commissions by making a single sale? If you're not, let me show you something. So I'm going to log into my accounts here. I've actually created an affiliate marketing campaign, which you can use, by the way, when you click the link right in the video description. I'm going to show you this exact campaign, and I'm also hosting a few webinars this week to show you exactly how this works. As you can see, with one program since September 19, I've been able to earn $60,850. This is just from one program, but my marketing campaign doesn't just promote one program. It actually has several. If you look at the dates right here, September 19 to November 19. And if I scroll down, let's just refresh this. It actually timed out on me. Just give it a second to load. And let's look at the net sales. If you look below, here we go. That's total sales. Here's net sales, 42,704. Now, if you add these two together, which I have just before I started this video, 60,850, 42,704. That is a total of $103,554, and that's exactly in 61 days. Now let me say this: my results obviously are not typical. I am not in any way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to do 103,000 in 61 days. You could do more, you could do less, you could do nothing at all. I could give you the best campaign in the world, but if you don't send traffic to it exactly the way I show you, which, by the way, I use 100% free traffic for this. So all 103 of that is all pure commissions, essentially. So let me show you this. I also share this with my team members. And this is actually the Facebook group where when you become a team member, you get to enter this Facebook group here. I do the work. You are the one that gets to keep the commissions because you're using my campaign. And let me show you one member just 11 hours ago. He posted, hey, made another $2,000 commission, and I've made a total of $15,000 in 3 weeks working. He was used to work 12-hour shifts to becoming his own boss, essentially. And he's saying, hey, thanks, David, for this amazing system, amazing marketing campaign. And as you can see here, he just got a $2,000 commission today, just a few hours ago, and a total of $15,025 in 3 weeks. Pretty amazing. Here's another member, made $250 today. And I could keep going and going and going here. This is actually me. I posted this yesterday. Crossed 100K in 60 days. Today is the 61st day. And again, everything is 100% free traffic. And we're talking big commissions here. Look, $1,197. And I could go on and on and on. Miles made another big commission, another fat commission, 100%. And he was able to do, by the way, 44,000 his first 21 days. As you can see here, he made 2350 with one commission. So when I tell you that there's a better way to earn commissions other than the small little stuff that you get from Clickbank and Digistore24, there is. And you can find out about it by attending my webinar. I'm hosting a couple of webinars this week, and you can find out more about them by clicking the link just in the video description. Now, another thing I want you to know about is I'm hosting a giveaway, and there's a winner every single day on this YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, what you need to do to win is this. First of all, I'm here to help. So first thing I want you to do is type in below in the comment section, what is your biggest question about affiliate marketing right now? Like, what's the one thing that you believe you need in order to start generating results? What's the one thing that's maybe stopping you? What's the one thing you're missing in order to start generating results? Comment down below. That's number one. Number two, hit the like button on this video. Number three, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also tick the bell notification icon, because on this channel, I host live streams where I answer all of your questions. It's a live member live stream and stuff. And if you want to be invited, you need to be subscribed to the channel, and you need to make sure to tick the bell notification icon so you get notified when I do the live streams. Now, in the first comment of the video description, there's going to be a link there for you to click on and actually enter your name into the giveaway. And you're going to be able to potentially win. This is obviously a giveaway, so there's no guaranteed way to win. But if you enter the giveaway, you're going to get a chance to win a 3-night hotel stay in sunny San Diego. This is absolutely costing me a fortune, but you guys are totally worth it. And I want to get more subscribers, awesome subscribers just like you. So click the link below, go check it out. So again, I'm going to keep this video pretty short. 103,061 days. If you want to use the exact same marketing campaign that I use, the exact same offers, the exact same webinar, the exact same email follow-up, the exact same members area, the exact same bonuses, everything, the whole thing, which by the way, I show you exactly my traffic sources, exactly how to get free traffic. I even help you by giving you my videos so you can start generating traffic from YouTube and Facebook and all those places that are generating sales right now that are really, really hot. And you can actually make big commissions with 100% free traffic. I'm proof of that. I just showed you. So click the link below, go check it out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.